first writer is making $1,830 at the end of a month. That is in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, that is over, I think, 2.5 million or 3 million naira. Like, for you to make up to 3 million naira in Nigeria on a monthly basis, that is huge. If you have been looking for a website that will pay you at least $100 to type, look no further, because in this video I'll be sharing with you a website that can pay you up to $140 just to type a page. Now, this website accepts students. Yes, undergraduate students. This website also accepts graduates. It also accepts master's holder. And a plus is the fact that this website accepts you from wherever you are in the world. It doesn't matter whether you're from Ghana, Cotonou, your location does not matter. And they pay you through Payoneer. So of course you do not need a PayPal account to sign up on this website. What you need is a Payoneer account, and Payoneer accepts Nigerian. So if the payment method is good with you, you can sign up on this particular website that I'll be sharing with you. But before we go further, my name is Oluwakemi. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you are seeing our video for the very first time, please do well to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment of your location down in the comment section. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, as usual, I will love you and will keep loving you. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into this video. Guys, before we go further, let's see what Trustpilot is saying about this website. Well, for those of you that don't know what Trustpilot is a platform or an account or a website that actually gives a review about online companies and website. So this website actually has 3.7 rating with the 53% of 5-star rating. You understand? And these are reviews from real people about this particular company. It said, good online writing platform. This is my 5th year working in the platform. Basically, Writer Bay is not the only platform I work in, but I could say that I get many orders with satisfying payment from this platform. The team is very supportive and they would assist writers 24/7. So let's go to the next one. This particular one is about inquiring about what they do. Then this particular one says, Writer Bay provides a stellar platform. Writer Bay provides a stellar platform for writers seeking full-time or part-time content writing opportunities. Someone who has contributed hundreds of essays to this platform, I can attest to the reliability and lucrative pay structure. So this particular website actually has a good pay structure. You understand? Depending on how many what you can write or what number of pages you can actually give to them, they pay you per page. You understand? They pay you per page. So without wasting much of our time, let's head straight to the website. This website is a freelancing website where you come and write pages. They have the end of the month top list. As you can see, this is the amount of money people are making on this particular website at the end of the month. First writer is making $1,830 at the end of a month. That is in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, that is over, I think, 2.5 million or 3 million naira. Like, for you to make up to 3 million naira in Nigeria on a monthly basis, that is huge. Now, the second writer is making $1,727. The third writer is making $1,660. The fourth writer is making $1,464. The fifth writer is making $1,552. And that is how people are making this money on this particular website that I'm about to share with you for free. You don't need any money to invest. You don't need any investment. You don't need anything to put into. What you need to do is to come on the platform with your typing skills and what you can write. You understand? Without wasting much, let's just go on through with the benefit. They said it has no registration fee and it is free lifetime membership. Like, once you register on this platform, you'll be on the platform forever. So you'll be writing for them forever. The second one is wide variety of interesting projects and assignments. Now, so that you won't waste much of your time, what you do majorly on this platform is to help people write assignments. Yes, there are people, they give them assignments in schools and they cannot do it. They post it on this platform and you, in turn, you can write assignments. So you come and write it. Projects, there are people with projects, and they cannot handle the stress and the whatever of projects. They come on this platform and help those that cannot handle it to handle it. If you are a graduate in Nigeria, you will know that every final year student in any institution in Nigeria must write a project. So if you have written a project, this is more like a piece of cake. So the next one is the right to manage the workload on your own. You can decide to take or leave any job that you want. So nobody will force you to take any job. They have a competitive salary. Before the end of this video, I will show you their rate, and their rate is highly competitive. Like, their rate is highly competitive. Depending on what you can write in a day or in a month, you get paid. No qualms. The next thing here is enough room for personal growth. They have a study board where you learn more about what you're writing about. They research about it. But then again, before you go further, you need to understand that for you to write an article on this particular website, the content poster or the owner of the assignment will actually review the article. So please, once you're writing an assignment or a project, make sure that you are doing the writing so you don't have to redo it again. Then they have writer support team that offer you 247. So if you have issues, they have their support team that offer you support 247. The next thing we have on this list is what they offer. It's all about fair play. There is no catch. It's easy as it is. WriterBay.com offers freelance writing jobs. Now, the name of this particular website is called WriterBay. Here, WriterBay, WriterBay. You understand? WriterBay.com offer freelance writing jobs. All you have to do to start making money is to apply your expertise from the comfort of your home. Our user-friendly control panel makes jobs hunting easy and saves you a lot of time. So once you sign up on this website, you have a lot of jobs that you can choose from. Nobody is forcing you that you must do something. But here is another catch. Yes, here is another catch. You need to be able to write in line of academic writing. You understand? Go online, make research about it, how to write academic writings. You can use MindLoster. I do talk about MindLoster a lot. Let me open it so that you guys will see. I don't want to waste much of our time. This is MindLoster. They have free courses, they have free writings, you understand, on MindLoster. So you can take a course on academic writing on MindLoster. They have a lot of categories: programming, computer science, graphics, software, business. So anything you want to write about, you understand, you come on MindLoster and check it out using academic writing strategy. So now here are the requirements before we go to the blah blah sign up, and then I'll show you the payment method. Here are the requirements: a minimum of bachelor's degree, high academic level. Writers get access to more complex jobs. Now, do not worry if only you have WAEC or NCE or ND. Do not worry, you will also be accepted on this platform. The only difference is if you have a bachelor's degree, you have access to more jobs. Ability to use either of the payment options we suggest. See our payment page. Now they have different payment options which I'll be showing you right now. Once we click on this payment, you'll be able to see their payment method, and their payment method are actually something that if you're in Nigeria you can actually make use of. They have the web money, they have Payoneer. Now if you are in Nigeria, I will advise you to sign up on Payoneer and use Payoneer. Payoneer is Payoneer. Payoneer, you understand? Sign up on Payoneer. It is free to sign up, and Payoneer is actually worldwide. There is no much ban or restriction on a Payoneer account. Payoneer is a payment method, you understand? So without wasting much of our time, let's get back. It says English language proficiency, internet access, a laptop or a PC. Reason why they require you to have a laptop or a PC is the fact that you have to type. Now there's another thing, because I always like to show you how to make money using your mobile phone. You can download WPS on your mobile phone. That also enables you to type. Download WPS on your mobile phone. That also enables you to type. But that was too much of our time. If this look like content that you're enjoying, or you feel okay, it's actually you're receiving value, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. Now, these are the top jobs that are available. Even without you signing up, you'll see jobs that are available for you. That's one thing I like about this particular website. You understand? Now, if you are in the art and architecture, this thing, the minimum job they have is going for about $640. That's the minimum project they have. It's going for about $640. If you are in the chemistry niche or the chemistry, field, it's going for $360. If you are in the education, like $176. Gender studies, like $128. Depending. So the list goes on and on and on like that, because I don't want to waste much of our time. You understand? The first thing you need to do if you're signing up on this website, so we don't get to waste much of our time, is to fill the application form. Now, the application form usually consists of your name, your surname, your address, your location, your background, and all of that. The next thing is to take the tutorial and take short quiz. Now, the tutorial, for you to know that this platform is legit, they have a tutorial section where they try to prep you for what you're going into. And after the prepping, you take the quiz, which is just like an assessment. The next one is you write a short prompt and upload an essay sample. Please try not to use ChatGPT. You can hire someone on Writer's Gig. You can, draft out a simple essay. You understand? The next one is to higher education certificate as well as your CV. So even if you have an ND, it is a higher education. Even if you have an NCE, it is a higher education. If you have a bachelor's degree, it is a higher education. You understand? So that is what you snap and upload. Then you can, use AI to make your CV, normal CV, and then you upload. That is all about writerbay.com. Now, once you submit all this, within 3 days, they will get back to you on your application. This thing is not just anybody can sign up. You understand? They need to assess you. That is how you know that a website is legit. They have to assess you. So when they assess you and then they invite you to fully partake in their platform, you start making money on this platform. So without wasting much of our time, let me know if you're signing up on this website and what you think about this website. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe. If you're a writer, please let me know in the comment section that you're a writer and you'd love to try out this website. Thank you, guys.